Here's how to join a Google Classroom. So if you need to join a Google Classroom, here is a step-by-step guide. So first, you can go ahead and open your web browser, go to your Gmail and tap on this Google Apps section in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu that appears, you need to go ahead and select Google Classroom. Go ahead and select it, and this will take you to a new tab of classroom.google.com. And here you can select continue or switch account and log into Google Classroom instantly. Once you're in the Google Classroom, if you have a class code, you can look for the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen, and here you'll get join class or create class option. Select join class and enter the class code, and then select join to join the class. Another way to join is through an email invitation. The teacher or class owner may have sent you an invitation via email. Simply open the email and click on the join class button, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.